Smartwatch are wireless connection to smartphone and help us to manage our laptops. So, we are more updated into smartwatch nowadays. Many scams are done with smartwatches. Cameras are taken low quality smartwatches that are popular brand like Apple or Fitbit. Headphones. Evolution of headphone is much more pretty knowledge to us. It started with wire headphone connected to a device. Nowadays we have a great variety of them. They have also become wireless too. The wireless headphones are also connected actually shift this consumer into methods by increased reproduction as application and interface experience credibility of its governance or internet digitally. Smartphones and tablets, mobile devices became entertainment hubs, allowing users to access music, news and TV shows easily. Digital distribution, games and software to be downloaded
is a machine that can be programmed automatically carried out sequences of arithmetic or logical operations.
The first electronic computer using vacuum tubes and binary code made by governments and corporations.
Personal computers are small, affordable computers for individuals. Portable computers, laptops, notebooks become popular for mobile productivity. Desktop computers were introduced in the 1990s. Personal compact computers for home and office use. At the same time, smartphones have computer-like capabilities as the cloud computing. Further, processing data online also became more easy. From Apple means to powerful machines used today, computers have Pre-incident, there's a large period of time which we call this pre-history. Starting from evidence of the first early humans in this primitive civilization, there's no need to equalize this in the growing there's no regarded of this time that we can do just to close them. Behind the charcoal is the time we try to and interface. Ever belonged to monks of rubbish known as Britain. Britain would use all its solutions and animals to all substantive India as well as substantive in this all animals in the habit, toilet and a heart in the middle.
Group fiber from Medina like astronaut, from plane one. Organizers have discovered the typical animals around us that are similar to branches. Some were very absent of many different
Branches were very Britain had become warmer and red and now stone in the branches were 2100 BC. So under the change in climate.
Some houses had to be built on sills and they were constructed on metals. They have a fireplace in the center of the house. The fire was important for cooking and keeping warm.
Branches, round as the tallest structure to the right of woven wall and up. Highest tower or highest stone wall. The method where the walls came in the wall from the hills, which were easy to defend into the valleys were easy to provide food and shelter.
They spent farming the meat, the end of large biology, and the fields were needed for animals to graze.
Man slowly learned to make simple doors that would allow them to build letters that were laid on this house slowly evolved in separate form. The first letter from 100 BC is the first order for discovery and it doesn't do this. A big changes in the it was the development of a leaf forest level large feet of the land higher than surrounding area.
Materials and normal size supported by leaf almost 3 times The popular pilgrimage destination. The height of this temple tower is 66 meters.
The Vimana Temple Tower is one of the world's tallest. The Vimana Temple has a round upper construction that is thought to have been cast from a single stone.
Stand 260 feet, 66 meter tall, and the tallest structure in the world. Approximately 80 tons are required to build structure on the top of the temple, covered from a single planet of rocks.
Features of temple. The temple is situated behind the fortified walls that were most likely considered in the 16th century.
The frame was considered large in the walls and what
At the end of there is a large statue of the animal which was carved out of a single rock and measured 16 feet bar 9 meter long and 30 feet bar 0 meter high. Granite is used to Granite is used throughout the temple construction with the closest granite supplies being approximately 60 kilometers to the west of the temple. This temple is one of the most populous tourist destinations in Tamil Nadu. Radharaja I of the Chola dynasty built this temple between 1003 and 1010 AD.
This temple is made by Radharaja Soran. This temple was made by Radharaja Soran.
This stunning structure has not only survived natural calamities like rain because from centuries, but it has done so with little effort made it shallow, not a mystery of its own. constructions have been identified by the Archaeological Survey of India (ASI). District administration within the 500-meter restricted area of the Taj Mahal the past 7 years, according to sources.
Nearly 50 illegal constructions have mustered in surrounding cells of Taj Mahal in past years, returning the beauty of the monument worldwide.
According to information released by the Archaeological Survey of India, spokesman Rajesh Pari, a total of 533 illegal constructions have taken place in the entire Agra circle. Out of 46 have come up in the Tajganj area.
This is sort of beside recent mistake of the tower. Location of the tower ground surface layers and layers and parallel except the under foundation of the tower it formed about it. The unstable mixture of soil material compact the soil at a different rate, causing the tower sink 30 to 40 centimeters.
Causes to be lean out over the unstable mixture of soil, causing it to sink to the outside. Soil at the outside compressed passes in outside. Weight of the tower was the main factor of tilt. Tilting was also due to the fluctuations of the water levels. This caused the tower to keep shifting as well as rotate. Construction is very only due to unsimilar soil and restructure. The amount of damage is small. Soil extraction held the structure to stabilize for a long time without any tilt.
This is lotus temple. Problems with lotus temple like the Taj Mahal in Agra. This wet marble structure is also threatened by pollution and it has great considerability since it was completed in 1986 and its managers feared for its future in a city considered one of the most polluted in the world.
The lotus temple attracts nearly 4 lakh visitors every month. Actually, great main effects on every monument. Even lotus temple is the color of monument is falling yellow and the finish of temple is destroying slowly.
This is Washington Monument. What's the construction of Washington Monument? Construction from 1854 due to lack of funds and assumed from 1870s and until completion in 1888 built to honor the nation. The first monument represents a complex story of enslavement and freedom.
The construction was suspended from 1854 to 1877 due to funding challenges struggled by the Washington National Monument Society and the American Civil War.
What caused the damage in Washington Monument? The big damage occurs throughout metropolitan Washington area, but the Washington Monument was among the significantly damaged structures.
This is the pyramid, the great pyramid of Giza. Built the pyramids during the and compare the pyramid of Giza were constructed on a solar system after its death.
The real purpose of pyramids were stand as a representative of the ancient Egyptian glorification of life, death, and in fact, the pyramids were built as monuments to house the tombs of the pharaohs.
Why did the pyramid have gold? But the weight of the pyramid was a capstone known as a pyramid that may have been covered in gold.
Scammers are the Great Pyramid. Upper scammers like camel raiders or horse raiders misguide tourists and force them to take a raid from them. They purposely tell them a wrong route so that tourists won't hire a camel or horse. Internet charge, pay FT return.
Sand mining scam is the largest illegal sand mining operation that has been taking place in the state of Tamil Nadu, India. The scam was the illegal extraction of the sand from riverbed and other water bodies, which has led to severe environmental damage and loss of revenue for the state government. What is the problem with sanding? Sanding has become so rampant that almost every land species in the world, the farmers connect to farmers field since they do not know exactly when their farms will be destroyed. The crops are often managed sort of for easy collection of sand. The farmers go through many orange situations. Paint can be made. Paint can be made in many colors and types. Most paints are either oil-based or water-based and each has distinct characteristics. Primitive forms of paints were used tens of thousands of years ago in cave paintings. Paint is a material which after applied to a solid material allows to dry as a film-like layer and all is used to create an image known as painting.
What is the time period of a building? The time taken by it to undergo one complete cycle of oscillation. It is an inherent property of a building controlled by its mass and stiffness. These three quantities are related by its units as units.
This is Colosseum. Challenge of building the Colosseum. The Colosseum lay on top of a valley where Nero's lake was located and one of the main is of lineage.
Why don't they fix the Colosseum? The fire and the earthquake damage in the 1st to the 6th century AD was repaired by the emperors, but when the building was no longer used for gladiatorial events or stage animals, there was no reason to repair the damage.
It is illegal to take stones from the Colosseum and cheap plastic replicas you painted made on the other side of the globe.
Bricks manufacturing scam in India. The central bureau activity of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and climate. This is poor and Sharan temple. A superstition took hold that any king entering the temple through the grand main entrance, the Karnataka oil would soon lose his down, if not his life.
This is real estate scam. The contractor will biggest contractor scam. Pay me first. According to Better Business Bureau, this is the most common scam reported. The contractor will tell you that the materials and equipment will need to be ordered. Once you hand over money, a couple of things can be happen. They disappear or complete the work carelessly. The questionable quality of construction in some metro railway station endangering commuters and motorists. A fortnight ago, a 63-year-old man suffered minor injuries after the underbreeze fell on him at the elevated through due Delhi metro. He suffered a cut on his head and the station took him to a nearby clinic for treatment.
A few days ago, stiff wall selling reportedly collapsed in conquest of Durvanga metro station during the peak hour in the evening, but no one was hurt in the incident. Building collapsed because of a weak foundation. Without a solid foundation, the structure can become unstable and eventually collapse. Foundation issues can be caused by poor construction, natural disasters, or even the passage of time.
How long does builder cement take to dry for concrete to rise? Reach its full standard. It typically takes about 28 days per inch of slab thickness.
The water is not. The water is not good how it affects the building. If the walls are wood that the water can cause damage to wood over time.
If the walls are steel, the water may cause rusting that over time can weaken the steel. If the walls are made of stone and the water freezes and cause seasons, it can cause cracks that weaken the wall over time.
This is Burj Khalifa. Problem faced during the construction of Burj Khalifa. During the construction of Burj Khalifa, several challenges were encountered. These challenges included resource allocation, time constraint, cost management,
Quality assurance, safety concerns, project complexities, and designs, uncertainties and communication issues. The construction team faced